So imagine clear skin, and then imagine your entire skin filled with acne which is full of pus. Hi everyone, I'm Prableen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you like what you see, by the end of this video please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And for today's video, if you are new here, you should know that I have extreme sensitive skin. I also have cystic acne which was basically all across my face. I will insert pictures right here, and I'm going to tell you the one ingredient that actually really boosted my recovery. It really helped, and basically it's my go-to product whenever I have any skin issues. This is the one product I cannot do without. I use this every night or every morning if I miss it, and I thought, why not tell you all which product this is that has been extremely helpful for me in my journey. So if you are someone that is interested to get rid of your acne, please keep on watching. As you can see right now, I have basically clear skin. I don't have acne whatsoever. I only have marks which also sort of would tend to go soon. So I am just going to put up like a video of my skin which was during PCOS, and it was really bad. For anyone and everyone that was close to me knew how traumatized and how mentally stressed I was, which was even causing it more, because in PCOS you cannot stress about things because it tends to get on your face and just come all over. So I was someone that was dealing with a lot of cystic acne. Cystic acne has pus which is painful. So imagine clear skin, and then imagine your entire skin filled with acne which is full of pus. That's hurtful, and I know it sounds really off and it sounds really terrible, but I literally went through it and it was really bad, and I was literally in so much stress that I had to film videos every single day, and I had to get up, I had to put like a full face of makeup. I just couldn't get through it, and it basically got to me, and I started thinking so much that God knows what is wrong with me. Why am I being so stressed, and why is it coming on my face? I tried different things to eat, I tried different medications, and obviously there are many other factors that also include in, but in this video I really wanted to dedicate this to one product which I highly recommend anyone that has irritated, sensitive, acne prone skin. This product is a genius product. You will not regret purchasing this. This is by far one of my favorite products, and I had to show this to you all. So here it is. Ta-da! So this is Khadi Naturals Mint in Aloe Vera Gel. I also don't know when did I get hands on this, but dude, I cannot emphasize enough on this product. It's a big tub. See, this is like my third tub, so this is the last tub that got over, and I got this like a month and a half ago, and now it's like only 1/4 of it is left. So it's basically it's a gel. So it's a gel, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it on my skin. That's it. It literally just takes that much of time to apply it on top of your skin, and that is it. You don't need to do anything because it's just going to stay there. Basically, massage gels are gels that you can use after you're done with your makeup, or when you are having like a full face of face pack or anything and your skin is really irritated, you want to put like a massage gel. If you're done with your spa, you want to do your massage gel. You need a massage gel to basically cool and calm down your skin to make it look beautiful and glowy and fresh as always. So I reached out to this to have like a fresh look because I always had skin that was very irritated. I had sort of different sorts of infections, and I always have like very sensitive skin. So I reached out to this, and I didn't hear like many reviews about it, but what I liked is it had aloe vera and mint. So mint has cooling effects, and I am the kind of a person who likes to use like Dermicool and all sorts of things that are very cooling on my body. May that be on top of my on my forehead. I try to put this roll on that makes my migraine go away. So I am the kind of a person who likes really cooling things, and it just calms me down somehow. So I like the combination of aloe vera and mint, so I reached out to this, and it's from Khadi Naturals. It's called as their herbal facial mask massage gel. It has ingredients as mint and aloe vera gel. It has neem, it has calendula, it has menthol oil, it has camphor oil, it has spearmint oil. So basically it has a lot of good ingredients. It is said that it's used to tighten your skin and make it look more young. It activates dermal cells and promotes healing. It also protects the skin against sun. It protects from dust. It can be used as a therapy massage on calm, burnt or inflamed skin. It can also track scars, rashes or bruises. So this is something that has been helping me to get rid of the scars. I know, like, if you have acne, you really want your skin to be very cool and calm down. So this is something that helps me with that. Every night, literally every single night when I went to bed, I used to apply this and go. I don't even know what it actually helped me with, but using it consistently just made my acne sort of summon down. It wasn't as irritated as it used to be. It wasn't as inflamed. Every day when I woke up, I had lesser acne, and my skin was a little softer and not as inflamed, not as red as it used to be. So that was my main agenda, to use it, and I literally cannot do without this. I cannot do without this. I don't know why. I'm literally addicted to it. So if you are someone that really deals with a lot of acne issues and scars, or has like a lot of irritated skin, this will change your life. You will love this product. You will come back here and you will comment down telling me that thank you, Prableen, for recommending this, because this is a really great product for me in different ways. You can use it post shower, you can use it when you're going to sleep. Even if you're going in with a face pack or a face mask, after you're done with it, you can use this. You can use it any time of the day. What I liked is it's really affordable as well. It's only for 195 rupees, and if you buy it on Nykaa, you get like discounts and stuff. So you can go down and check in the description box. I'll leave a link so you'll get a little discount, or you can get hands on the product if possible. So this is a great product, and if you are someone that truly wants something that is very good, has a very cooling effect and gives you a very good skin, you need to get this. You need to get this. I especially had to make this video just to review this, is because I have already used it and I know how good this is. I want all of y'all to have this. I want all of y'all to see how great this product is. It will change your life. I'm telling you, you need to get this. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. It's a highly recommended product from my side. I might have included it in my previous favorites videos as well, because I actually love it. Leave down if you have any suggestions in the comment section below, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm most active on my Instagram, so you'll need to go and follow me there. You will enjoy watching my videos. So bye.